Welcome to the Tele Radio Academy. Today we will show you how to register the T60TX08 STL transmitter on the T20 T60 RX 03 ADL receiver. The receiver can store up to 60 transmitter ID codes. Make sure the batteries have been placed correctly in the transmitter. Connect the receiver to a power supply. Grab the transmitter. Press the receiver function button for approximately 1 second. The red receiver LED lights up. The receiver will stay in registration mode for approximately 6 seconds. Press and hold button 1 to assign button group 1 to 3 automatically to relays 1 to 3 in the receiver. The red receiver LED lights up 3 times. Release the button. The transmitter is now registered. This registration procedure is valid for the following transmitters and receivers: T60TX-ST transmitters, T60-T8-5 transmitters, and T20RX-03 ADL receivers.